Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I edit my beauty pictures. I'm using the airbrush tool. The good part about this tool is, despite the fact that it's free, I'm using the free version, I can still get a lot of my pictures edited well. So I'm just going to show you how I use this tool. You can select the picture from your gallery, any part of your gallery from this app. So I go to the picture I want. I'm using the purple picture from recent photos, from favorite pictures. I'm just going to select the picture I want and it's going to open it. Yes, so you can see it has a lot of things I can use, but I'm going to be using the smooth tool. The smooth tool, I'm going to use it to blur out the acne on my face. You can see here I'm just smoothing around my acne. You can use the light or the strong, I think. So the strong, but I'm using the light because I don't want to look fake. So I just want to clear out my acne, nothing more. After doing that, I'm going to click on the tick. So I'm going to click on the tick and go to the next box, tools. Under tools, I'll scroll down to enhance, and I'm going to be using the contrast first, be reducing the contrast of the image, then increase the sharpness of the image just a little bit, then the saturation, because you want to make sure the colors in the images pop. Then I reduce the highlights, shadows and brightness just a little bit, then increase the temperature because you want your image to be bright and have color. Then add a little bit of fade so all the colors blend together, and green to give the image depth. And green kind of gives it the illusion of pores on your face. Then I mark the tick. Still under the tools, I'm going to use the crop tool to take out the excess part of the images that I do not need. Then I go back to the retouch tab and click on magic. This is like an auto. Then I put on the slim box to reduce my jaw, enlarge my eyes, put on that box to tint my lips. I don't do this every time. Brighten the image, you can see the changes. Whiten my eyes, remove more acne, smoothing the image. You can also see changes when I do that now. And remove the dark circles under my eyes. When I'm done with all these changes, fun part is it automatically saves. For next time you have another image, it just automatically does that too. And then I just save the image as it is now. This is the final edit I do. This is how you save the image. Just click on that blue button and then it automatically saves. I'm going to be showing you extra that you can use if you have like a colored hair. So I'm going to be using another image I want to edit. I'm basically just going to be doing everything I did initially, like smoothing my face, and I'm going to show you how to change the color of your hair now. There's a new feature now called hair dye. See, I'm going to apply it now. See, my hair has changed. There are some free ones there and there are some that you have to pay for. I recommend you use the free one if you cannot pay, but if you have the money to pay, sure, why not? When you pay, you get a lot of options to you, but I just want to show you that I'm not really using it for this image. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to edit this picture like I did the first one, but this is where I say goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. If you have any questions about this video, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section and I'll get back to you with the answers. And if you want me to do a more in-depth video like this, or a little bit more in-depth, you can always say it down below. I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.